Hello everyone, you're welcome to this channel. In this video, we want to solve for x from this equation. 4 exponent x minus 2 exponent x is equal to 1. So stay tuned and let's learn together. Now we're given 4 exponent x minus 2 exponent x is equal to 1. So over here, we can rewrite 4 as 2 to the power 2 all exponent x minus 2x is equal to 1. Now from here, we are going to use this property when we have a to the power m all exponent n. This is the same as a to the power n all exponent m. We can interchange the exponents. So you are going to interchange the exponent over here as well. So you are going to have 2 to the power x all exponent 2 minus 2 to the power x is equal to 1. Now from here, we have 2 exponent x in common. So you are going to replace that with y. So you are going to let y to be equal to 2 to the power x. So from here, we are going to have y squared minus y is equal to 1. Now let's push everything to the left hand side. So you're going to have y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here, when we compare this with the general quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b will be equal to -1, and then c will be equal to -1. Now we are going to use the quadratic formula to find the values of y over here. So the quadratic formula is given by y is equal to -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And so let's compute the formula. So we are going to have y to be equal to negative b, we had -1, so negative of -1 plus or minus the square root of b squared. B, we have -1, so we're going to have -1 squared minus 4ac. Then a is 1 and then c is -1. So 1 and then -1 all over 2a, and a is 1. So y will be equal to negative will cancel negative, so this will turn positive. 1 plus or minus the square root of, here we have -1 squared, which we are going to have 1. Then -4 times 1 is -4. Then -4 times -1 is +4. So plus 4 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So here we are going to have y to be equal to 1 plus or minus root 5 all over 2. And so from here we can have y to be equal to 1 plus root 5 all over 2, or we can also have y to be equal to 1 minus root 5 all over 2. Now let's clean this side. Now from here, we let y to be equal to 2 to the power x. So in place of y, we are going to put these values over there. So let's consider when y is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 all over 2. So from there, we are going to have 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 all over 2 is equal to 2 to the power x. Now what are we getting for x? To be able to get x over here, we need to take the log of both sides. So we are going to have log of 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2 is equal to the log of 2 to the power x. Now from here, we are going to have the log of 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2 is equal to, then you can rewrite this as x multiplying the log of 2. Now to be able to get x, we need to divide both sides by log of 2, log of 2. So log of 2 cancels out log of 2. And so from here, we are going to have x to be equal to, now you can rewrite this as log of 1 plus root 5 minus log of 2 all over log of 2. Here we use the laws of logarithm to split this up. So here is how we can rewrite this according to the laws of logarithm. Now let me clean this side. And so from here, let us distribute the denominator. So we are going to have x to be equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 all over log of 2 minus log of 2 all over log of 2. And so from here, we are going to have x to be equal to log of 1 plus root 5 all over log of 2 minus, then here log of 2 cancel log of 2, so we are going to have minus 1. So this will be one of our answers. Now let's move on to when y is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 all over 2. So we are going to have, so we know we let y to be equal to 2 to the power x. And so we are going to have 1 minus square root of 5 all over 2 is equal to 2 to the power x. And so to be able to get x over here, we need to take the log of both sides. So we are going to have log of 1 minus the square root of 5 all over 2 is equal to log of 2 to the power x. And from what is inside the bracket, this is approximately equals to negative 0.62. And negative numbers of logarithm are not defined. And so we are going to rule out this answer. So our answer is x is equal to what is over here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then comment as well.